Has Netflix suddenly stopped working on your Google TV? This usually happens due to corrupted app data, connectivity problems, or an outdated Netflix or system version. In this video, we'll go through the best fixes to get Netflix running again. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. Now use the remote to navigate to the settings icon. Open it. Go to apps. Now look for Netflix and find it from here. Once inside, look for the clear cache option. Select it and then confirm your choice. Check if that fixes the problem. If not, you can select clear data and confirm your choice. But remember, this will completely reset your Netflix, so you'll be logged out. You will need to log back in with your password again. Solution 2. Restart your TV and internet. Turn off your TV using your remote, then completely unplug it. Meanwhile, unplug your router as well. Then plug your router back in, and plug your TV as well. This simple restart can sometimes fix many unwanted glitches. Solution 3. Reinstall Netflix. Go to your home menu of Google TV and find the Google Play Store. It's usually in the app section. Open it. Now search for Netflix. From the search results, select Netflix and reinstall the entire application from here. A clean reinstall often solves stubborn app crashes or loading failures. After the reinstallation, you should restart your TV and log back into Netflix. And that's it. With these solutions, you can fix the problem with Netflix stops working on Google TV and get back to streaming. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV fixes and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.